Do you want a glowing and beautiful skin? I'll be showing you how to use natural herbal bath powder that are made out of amazing herbs that will help to brighten, lighten, and nourish your skin. So to make this, you will need hibiscus petal, lentils, green gram, rose petals, sandalwood powder, licorice root powder. So you can check out my video on how to make licorice root powder at home, turmeric. Then the final ingredient is nutmeg. Some of the ingredients I'm using contains antiseptic, antibacterial, and lightening agents. So I will start by blending the ingredients. So I'm going to be adding the hibiscus petal, rose petal, add the green mungo or green beans. I also add the lentils. Then I'm going to be grating the nutmeg. Nutmeg has anti-inflammatory properties, which are very useful for skincare routine to help to keep your skin healthy, soft, and supple. So I'm also going to be adding the grated nutmeg. Then I'll blend into a fine powder. For this herbal bath powder, you can decide to customize this by adding any other ingredient that you want. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to set aside the blended ingredients. Then I'll start by mixing all the powder that I have. I have sandalwood powder, licorice root powder, and turmeric powder. So I'm going to mix all of them into the blended ingredients, then stir until well combined. So you can decide to spread this out and allow it to cool before storing. Then you can store this in an airtight container and use it whenever you want. So for your daily use, take a small amount of the herbal bath powder. You can mix it with rose water, milk, or yogurt. Then mix it to form a smooth paste. So in order to activate all the ingredients from the herbal bath powder, mix it and leave it to sit for about 30 minutes or more. So after about 30 minutes, you can use this paste for your bath. Instead of using soap, use this on a clean washed body. Apply the paste to your body and gently massage in a circular motion. You can leave this to sit for about 10 minutes, then just rinse off with warm water. You don't need to use soap. So if you are using this herbal bath powder, it will help to maintain healthy, glowing skin, and it will also help to lighten your skin so that you can look fresh and beautiful. So if you want a useful, healthy, smooth, and brighter skin, try this homemade herbal bath powder.